All right, you guys, so I'm gonna be taking my faux locks out after 5 months. October, November, December, January, February. Yeah, 5 months. That's freaking crazy.
Hi.
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 Hi. My hair, as you can see, is extremely dirty. I haven't washed my hair the whole time that I had the faux locks in, only because I was scared that my hair would get too tangled with the synthetic hair. So don't judge me. I just tried to keep the perimeter of my hair clean. I'm going to be heavily cleaning my hair. I'm first going to be starting with the cleansing rinse from Camille Rose. This stuff is amazing. I actually use this on my daughter. You can actually detangle with this shampoo. That's how you know a shampoo is amazing. I never even knew that was a thing until my sister told me about it. But this is amazing. So I'm gonna start with this because this is a clarifier. But then I'm also gonna go in with this Brigio. This is a charcoal coconut oil micro exfoliating shampoo. I'm using this one because it has exfoliation in it, because my scalp hasn't been cleaned in so long. I want to be able to scrub my scalp to get any buildup off of it. This is a plant-based formula as well, so I love these two. And then again, since my hair hasn't received any type of nourishment at all, I'm gonna then be going in with this Brigio. I don't normally use deep conditioners on my hair unless it's major like this. So if I go too long without moisturizing my locks, I will use some type of conditioner. But this one, I like the Brigio line because they don't have sulfates, parabens, or any of those harsh chemicals or sulfates. So I did want to say the Camille Rose is a clarifying shampoo, but it is very moisturizing. The Brigio Scalp Revival is amazing because the charcoal is actually what detoxes your hair. So that's what gets all the buildup and gunk out. And the Don't Despair Repair Mask is just so amazing for adding hydration back to your hair. I'll have links for these products in the description box below. So now to get started, I'm just going to heavily saturate my hair with water to get my locks nice and plump. And yeah, we're gonna get in these locks, you guys, because they are dirty, okay? So I'm going to just let the water run down my locks to get any dirt or any sweat, whatever is in my locks out, and whatever's on my scalp out. I spent a lot of time massaging my scalp just to loosen any buildup, loosen the dirt, but also to loosen any fake hair sometimes that stays entrapped on my locks, but then also to stimulate my follicles as well. It helps get the blood flowing to your scalp, and also it just feels amazing. So what I do love about this Camille Rose is that it has this nozzle. So as a clarifying shampoo, I feel I'm able to get in all on my scalp where I need to be, wherever it itches, and I just love the nozzle on this. So as you can see, this shampoo suds up very nicely. Honestly, a little goes a long way, but I'm not gonna lie, I have been very heavy-handed with this wash day only because my hair was so dirty. But again, this shampoo suds up very nicely, especially because, you guys, my hair is so dirty, and even then my hair felt so clean after just one wash. But anyways, I am rinsing out the Camille Rose, and I again just thoroughly saturating my hair, and then I'm going in with the Brigio. I'm using a good amount of it. I used about 2 handfuls for my whole head, for my scalp, and for my locks. And I love this shampoo. It just feels like it's just literally opening your follicles up, but in a good way. And literally, as you can see, it suds up so amazingly, and it doesn't feel like your hair's stripped at all, which I do love, because since it is charcoal, you would think that it would be very harsh on your hair, but it is not. It feels good on your hair and on your scalp. So pretty much I'm just working this shampoo in my locks as well as massaging it very well my scalp. And I'm actually using my nails, even though they're not long or jagged. I am using my nails because I'm trying to break up any buildup that I may have. You guys seen the buildup that I had at the beginning of the video, and I spent a good amount of time just working that in to kind of allow the charcoal to penetrate the dirt. Once I've rinsed it out, I actually went ahead again and I washed it a second time, but I didn't film that on camera because I just felt like that was redundant. But once I've rinsed that out, I just went ahead and I moisturized my hair with the hydrating deep conditioner from Briogeo, and I slather that on my locks and on my scalp, and this stuff just makes your hair feel so good. And I honestly have been using the Don't Despair maybe like 3 times a year, but I don't have buildup in my locks, so every now and then I do use conditioners on my locks. But I think what's most important is making sure that you rinse all of the conditioner out. I don't keep any conditioner in my hair when I finish. I wash all of it out until the water runs clear. And then I will squeeze any excess water out of my locks like so. And then all my natural people, we all know about the t-shirt method. It is amazing. It really helps dry your hair so much faster, and it's so much better than using a towel because it gives you less frizz. And to me, it just works better than a towel. But I then go ahead and spray my hair down with rose water. That is my hydration mist that I use. And honestly, I keep it very simple. And then I go in with my Jamaican black castor oil. This is my oil of choice because it helps promote healthy hair growth. And then I just always love the way that it feels on my scalp. Then I followed up with this oil. I'm actually not sure where I got it from, but I really love the ingredients on it. So once I finished that, I just massage all the oil in, and then I did my retwist, and this was the next day. My locks were clean, hydrated, and given life, hunty.